Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to keep your Roku device up to date with the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements, this video will show you exactly how to update it in just a few simple steps. 1. Check for updates automatically. Roku devices are set to check for updates automatically, but you can manually trigger the update process if you'd like. Ensure your Roku is connected to the internet before proceeding. 2. Go to the home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to go to the main screen. 3. Navigate to Settings. Scroll up or down and select Settings from the menu. 4. Select System. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select System. 5. Select System Update. Under the System menu, select System Update. This will take you to the Update screen. 6. Check for updates. On the System Update page, you'll see the current version of Roku OS installed on your device. Select Check Now to search for the latest update. 7. Install the update. If an update is available, Roku will prompt you to download and install it. Click OK to begin the update. The update will automatically download and install, and your Roku will restart if needed. The process should take just a few minutes, depending on the size of the update. 8. Verify the update. Once the update is complete, your Roku device will restart. You can return to Settings, System, About to check that the new version of Roku OS is installed. By following these easy steps, you can keep your Roku device updated and enjoy all the latest features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Roku tips.